Hello gardeners, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an organic pesticide from wild marigold and pepper. I'm going to use wild marigold because of its insect repellent smell and pepper which has itching effect on soft-bodied insects like aphids. So the first step is to crush marigold. The second step is to crush the hot pepper, and please ensure you don't touch your eyes after finishing. Ensure you wash your hands with soap so that they don't itch your eyes. Step number 3 is to add pepper to the container. In step number 4, we add water until the mixture now submerges underwater. In step number 5, we have to stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure that we have a homogeneous solution. After stirring thoroughly, you have to ensure you cover it and place it in a place where there is direct sunlight and where there is no disturbance. In step number 7, we have to filter the mixture to ensure removing any particle that can clog your sprayer.